Hi, I am Kashif Quaid, CEO co-founder of Pakistan Blood Donors. Here I would tell you that how can you use this website and can find your nearest donor. To access Pakistan Blood Donors, type URL in URL bar. Now you can see the interface of website. Click on register to register new donor. Put your detail and click on register button. In this way you will register successfully, and after 24 hours users approved mail will be sent to your email account. If you have saved life, then click on save life button, otherwise no. Here you can check your profile and can manage it yourself. If you want to edit your account and want to change your profile pic, then it's for you. From here you can go to your profile. You can check it out completely and can like and share as well. If you want to find your nearest donor, then click on nearest donor button. Allow your location, select your blood group which you required and press on button. You can see this is my nearest donor. One thing more, if you don't find your nearest donor, then type your city name and click on search button. Now you can see blood donors in your city. In this way you can call them and ask them to donate fresh blood. Thanks.